I've been silent so long. I've been hiding my love. I've been hiding like a bird with no song.
This morning I had the new GoPro Hero 9 delivered. My first impressions are it looks like one sturdy camera, but to really put it to its paces in this video, we're going to be testing it on the back of a dog, seeing how good the stability is, how good the photos are. This is currently recording in 2.7K at 6 frames a second, and we're going to be testing out on the wakeboard.
When I'm up through the night, I can't turn down the noise, tear all the worries out of my mind. About who I'm supposed to be, I start to believe I can't get it right. Remember the days I let slip away, they were simpler times. Mama told me before you leave.
Just finished up some tests. We had the GoPro mounted on a dog mount on her back. I'm gonna head on back to my laptop over the next couple of days, have a look at the clips and see how good it is. And one of the things I will say is I highly rate the new front screen. So easy to frame yourself when it comes to making your videos.
Dancing on the moon, I've been my life. You'll be dancing on the moon. I've been my life. You'll be dancing on the moon. I've been my life. You'll be dancing on the moon. Dancing on the moon. On the moon. Maybe my compass was wrong, and I'm still on my way closer each day to where I belong. I'm still rolling the dice, praying sometimes it don't last that long.